turning yellow. The air is getting cold. My mind is feeling mellow. The days of fall are growing old. When I say that your arms should always be around me, come the day when the snow is falling over all we see. I wake up from a slumber to the sound of carol songs. Despite the stress that we've been under, I feel today can turn out wrong. No, holding on to the feeling of complete devotion. When I'm gone, I will leave behind my love for you, my dear.
Exciting. Oh, it's in here.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been thinking so much lately.
Morning! Nearly afternoon. So we are here today at Friends Fest at Christmas, Friends Festive, up in London at the Truman Brewery, not the Truman Pub, which we rocked up at. We're like, oh! So yeah, this is a lovely present from my friend Charlotte, my best friend Charlotte, for my 40th birthday, and I've taken a photo of all the maps and stuff. But yeah, I believe we're allowed to film inside, either that or you'll hear me getting told off.
God, I'm so excited now. Staying in their apartment.
Oh yeah.
It's really weird, isn't it? I know
Yeah.
it's real.
Yes it is. I think it's got tingles. We're so sad. Oh look, it's Jerry's penguin. It's Jerry's penguin. I think that's the actual one. Pubsy bear. So funny.
Welcome to Behind the Scenes at Friends Fest. Before you step on set, here's a special message from the show's co-creator, Kevin Bright.
Hi, I'm Kevin Bright, executive producer and director of the TV show Friends, and I'm here at Comedy Central's Friends Fest with all of my friends.
So happy.
I feel so honored that people care so much about the show to come and invest their time immersing me.
Oh yeah, I can take a photo on here. Stand here. Oh, nothing. So they have a little cafe here.
56.
Serves some hot drinks and some cakes, and you can actually sit down and watch the episodes of Friends they're showing. Right.
Ready to get you on over.
Oh, okay. So the chat was just saying that today there's only 400 people booked in, but usually there's 2,500 people on the weekend, and busy. Well, it's not busy, but you queue in a few minutes for things. So I can't imagine 2,500 people. I wonder it takes through. Oh my God, they've got the umbrellas over there. Charlotte, the umbrellas over there, look.
Aww.
Just realised. Oh, did you leave it there? Charlotte's left her phone. We just realised that there's the Holiday Armadillo's Grotto. Did you leave it? Oh my God.
Hello, hello, hello.
Oh my God! Hello!
I've got Holiday Armadillo. Come on in, Mr. Bulldog. There we are. Perfect. Awesome. We're ready to drop again. Of course. Come on, everybody. Grab the join me to this side. We get a photo all together. There we go. Welcome. Just a second for me. There we go. Just past the tail. So I'm the tail back there. Okay, everyone. So I'm going to say 3, 2, 1, and then we're going to say Happy Hanukkah to the camera. Here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Happy Hanukkah! Great, everyone. How do we like? Awesome! That's great, everybody. Thank you very much. Of course, everybody. Hey, from South America. So you don't get hot when your family climate, everybody. Plus, in case you haven't noticed, it's freezing in here. So, what do you want to do this time? Just a smiley one? Happy Hanukkah? It's up to you guys. Good smiley. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Awesome, everyone. How does that look? Lovely. Thanks so much, everybody. Great to meet you all. Happy holidays.
This is nice, isn't it? Street food.
Oh, you can't beat it, can you?
No. Oh, this is really nice, isn't it? Imagine this at night.
Yeah.
Oh, look, flying tiger. Love tiger. Oh,
Christmas presents.
is it?
Yeah. Because you always find things that are beautiful.
Oh,
aren't they?
yeah,
It's so
stocking
cheap.
stuff. Yeah.
No, not even stocking. Wow. Incense sounds nice. Love incense.
Oh, look, we've got a tag here and everything.
Oh, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, it's really pretty, isn't it?
Yeah.
We are about to enter the mothership, Primark and Oxford Street. Oh, something going down over there, look. Someone's being frisked.
Promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family.
Yeah. Oh, look, they've got a little Christmas market thing here. Where at Christmas? Wow. Oh my god. No. Oh yeah. No, it's not too busy, is it? I can smell sweet stuff. Right. Yeah, go right.
So quiet, isn't it?
We've been eating again.
Oh.
We've been eating again. This time we found churros in the Christmas market. Num 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 num. Num 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 num. Let's see what else we can eat.